Today we will talk about a topic that's at the heart of our daily lives, money. But we're not just talking about budgets and investments. Oh no, we're delving into something much more intriguing, the human mind's intricate relationship with money. That's right, it's all about the book that has been making waves in the financial world, The Psychology of Money. So let's explore the hidden truths that shape our financial decisions. Segment 1. Unraveling the Money Mindset. Ever wondered why we make certain money choices? In the first part of the book, the author takes us on a journey into the intricate web of our money mindset. We explore the influence of our past experiences, emotions, and upbringing on how we handle money. It's a fascinating look at the underlying factors that shape our financial behavior. Segment 2. The Power of Compounding. Next up, we're delving into the power of compounding, a concept that can truly change the way you think about investing and saving. The book highlights the astonishing impact of starting early and allowing your money to grow over time. It's a reminder that small, consistent steps can lead to substantial wealth. Segment 3. The Role of Luck. Now, let's explore the unexpected element in our financial success, luck. The book sheds light on the significant role luck plays in our financial journey. We learn that while our efforts matter, luck can be the deciding factor in certain outcomes. This insight encourages us to be more empathetic and humble. Segment 4. Timeless Principles versus Trendy Tactics. In this part of the book, we examine the contrast between timeless financial principles and fleeting market trends. The author emphasizes the importance of focusing on fundamentals rather than chasing quick wins. It's a valuable lesson in navigating the volatile world of finance. Segment 5. The Joy of Wealth. Finally, let's talk about the ultimate goal, the joy that wealth can bring. The book wraps up by discussing the true purpose of accumulating wealth. We discover that the real satisfaction comes not from amassing money for its own sake, but from using it to enrich our lives and the lives of others. If you want to read this book, the link to the book is in the description below. Conclusion. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of The Psychology of Money. This book summary offers just a taste of the thought-provoking insights waiting for you in the full book. If you're curious to learn more, grab a copy and embark on a journey to understand the intricate relationship between psychology and finance.